Intensive Practice 4.2 Question 6. Write the following as single fractions. Okay, so if you want to make it into single fraction, the denominators must be same. So what we have to do here is make the denominator same lah. So here the only option is this times this, and then this times this back. So 1 over 1 plus 3, we have to multiply with 1 minus 3, 1 minus 3. Okay, we multiply this denominator with this and this. Plus, okay, now this one, 1 over 1 minus 3. This one we must times this denominator. Okay. 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3. Okay, it's the same as, let's say we have A over B plus A over C. So to make the denominators same, this one we times CC, this one we times BB. Then now we have same denominator, BC. Same thing now. So this whole thing we times with this denominator, and then this whole thing we times with this denominator. Right, now let's expand and simplify. So 1 times this whole thing is just 1 minus 3. Since the denominators are now the same, I can just put them under one fraction. So I'll get 1 plus 3, 1 minus 3. Okay, this is our common denominator now. Then here on top here we have 1 minus 3. 1 times this, we will get 1 plus 3. Right, so this is our fraction now. Let me make it a bit neater. Okay, bring here, this one. Right. Okay, so 1 plus 1 is 2. Negative set 3 plus set 3 cancels off. So on top is just 2. Then bottom here, these are actually conjugates. Conjugates, the shortcut to expand is this times this plus this times this. Okay, so 1 times 1 is just 1. And then set 3 times negative set 3 is negative 3. So 2 over negative 2, which is just negative 1. This is our final answer. It's just negative 1. Okay. Now let's look at B. Okay, maybe I can make this a bit smaller. Oops. Right, let's get B. So same thing, this denominator must multiply each other. So I can say 2 times this fellow. So set 7 minus set 2 over set 7 plus set 2 times set 7 minus set 2. Maybe I write like this, it'll look a bit neater. Okay, so basically this fraction, 2 over this, okay, 2 over this, I multiply with this one lah, up and down. Okay, then plus 1 over set 7 minus set 2. So top and bottom we must multiply with this fellow. So set 7 plus set 2. Right. Now we expand. So 2 times this, 2 times this. The whole thing now our denominator same already. I'll write this first lah. Okay. Now on top we expand. So 2 set 7 minus 2 set 2 plus 1 times this is just that. So set 7 plus set 2. Right. Now 2 set 7 plus set 7. So this is 1 set 7. So 2 oranges plus 1 orange, we will get 3 oranges. So 3 set 7. 2 set 2 plus 2 plus set 2. So this is 1 set 2. So negative 2 oranges plus 1 orange will be negative 1 orange. So of course negative 1 no need to write. And our denominator, we can use shortcut. The shortcut for conjugate is this times this. 7. This times this is negative 2. Right. Now the denominator we can simplify. Denominator is just 5. So we can't simplify further. Therefore this will be our final answer. Done. Okay. Let's look at C. Same thing. So here, this fellow, we multiply with this denominator. So we get 2 over 4 minus 3 times this fellow. So 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3 plus 1 over 4 plus 3. This one we multiply with this fellow. So 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3. Right. Now as usual we expand now. So 2 times 4, 2 times 3. We get 8 plus 2 set 3. 1 times this is just that. 4 minus 3. Then the denominator is just this. 4 minus 3. 4 plus 3. Okay. Let's simplify. So 8 plus 4 is 12. And then negative 2 set 3 minus 1 set 3. Sorry, not negative. 2 set 3 minus 1 set 3. So 2 oranges minus 1 orange. We are left with 1 orange. So 1 set 3, but no need to write the 1. Right. Then the bottom here, 4 times 4 is 16. Shortcut lah. Since conjugate, this times this, and then this times this. So negative 3. Right. So now 16 minus 3 we can simplify. Give us 13. Done. That will be our simplest form. That's it.